Hello, excited to have you here on my YouTube channel. I am your host, Inspired Mommy Pecty. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be diving into some advice, the best advice you can get out there for new YouTubers who are looking out to make it big in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your channel, I've got some tips and tricks to help you succeed in 2025 in this ever evolving world of YouTube. So do well to strike the notification bell, subscribe. In case you find my video interesting, please do well to strike the notification bell, subscribe so that YouTube can recommend my videos to others. Yeah, so let's move forward. And that will take us to our tip number one: find your niche. See, with so many creators on this platform, it's important to stand out and offer something unique to your audience. Find a specific topic or niche that you are passionate about and create a content around that. It could be gaming, beauty or lifestyle, traveling. Finding your niche will help you attract a dedicated audience. Your niche could be your job, your skill, something you love doing, something you know best to do. Find it, note it out, and start building yourself on that. Now, check out for other creators who do what you do, who do what you like, who are passionate about what you are passionate about. Subscribe to their channel, watch their videos, engage with them, do what they do in your own way. See, you don't need to crack your head too much. YouTube has made it easy for every one of us. There are people that do what you like. Subscribe to them, listen to their teaching. You can listen to them, come add things from their teaching, add your own and give it out. Make your own unique in your own unique way, but you are still doing the same thing. That is it. Look at YouTube. Many people are teaching about social media, content monetization in their own unique way. Is our tip number two. Number two, you must have a role model. You must have a role model in this YouTube street. You must have a role model in this world of YouTube. Somebody you believe in, somebody you love that does what you do. If you're into gaming, if you're into beauty and lifestyle, don't go and start taking somebody who is into the religious pattern as your own role model. No, if you're into beauty and lifestyle, don't go and start taking somebody who is into technology as your role model. It will not work. Look for somebody who does the same thing with you. Subscribe to that person. Try to build a relationship, a connection with that person, so the person will help you, guide you, so that you can stand, you can be solid in what you do. So look for somebody you can pattern your own content, you pattern your style with. That will take us to our tip number four: go for content that are easy. Content that are easy. For example, you want to go into traveling, you want to do content or traveling, then you're ready to travel around the world, and that will cost you a lot. So go for content that will be easy for you to do, content that will be cheap and easy for you to do, and that will be easy for you to upload at any time. You can just do it and upload. So go for content that will be easy for you. But if you're too passionate on traveling, on cooking, for example, if you want to go into cooking, you spend money to buy equipment and food stuff. So whatever content you want to go into, remember, you have to go for content that will be easy for you. But if you're passionate about those tough content and you have the resource to do them, I'm not stopping you. Go ahead and do them. All right, now we are at tip number five: invest in quality equipment. Why you don't need the most expensive camera or microphone to start your channel. Investing in quality equipment will help improve the overall production value of your videos. consider purchasing a good camera, microphones and lighting setup to enhance the quality of your content, because this place is a competitive market. If you don't have money to afford all those expensive equipment, you can make use of the lightning of the day. And the best time to make videos during the day is, let's say, from 8 o'clock, 7, 9, within those period 10. Make our time to make your videos, and make sure the sun ray is coming in so that you can have brightness. That will be fine. You just do a few decoration round to make your video okay. Then you can use your phone microphone. You cannot afford a cheap microphone, you talk louder. Then you go to apps like CapCut. That's what I use. You go there and enhance your microphone, increase the volume. But as time goes on, as you start having money, each time you have money, invest in equipment. It will help you. It will go a long way to improve your overall performance. It will give you, make your video a top notch. Okay, we're going to our tip number 6. Learn how to edit. Editing is a crucial part of creating engaging and professional looking videos. So whether you're using a simple editing software or a more advanced program, take the time to learn the basics of editing to elevate the quality of your content. Experiment with different editing techniques and try to find what works best for your channel. All right, number 7, consistency. Consistency is the key. In order for you to grow your channel and keep your audience engaged, it's important to maintain a consistent upload schedule. Whether you're posting once a week or multiple times a week, establish a routine that works for you and stick to it. This will help you build a loyal fan base and attract new viewers to your channel. So you must be consistent.